folks, welcome back to another video of Cybrosys technology. In Odoo, we have made some easier steps to manage your shift. So, one day, if you ever realize you can't make it to a shift, no worries. As long as it's allowed, you can unassign yourself from a shift. So, just navigate into the configuration, and here you will get the settings. Once you enter to the dashboard of the setting, here you can see some options. So just allow the option which is called unassign themselves from the shift. So it means you will be able to remove yourself from a shift up to a set number of days before it starts. So here you can set that. So once you're done, you can hit the save button, and once your shift are published, you will get an email if someone comes up and you can't attend. So just click I'm unavailable. So your shift to then open up again for someone else to grab. So before the conclusion, I want to say one thing, that keep two quick rules in your mind. First one, you will only see shift that matches your role, and you won't able to assign yourself from the shift that have already passed. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, do subscribe, share with your friends, and have a nice day.